Hi, this is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies. Today we're going to be talking about the difference between fiberglass pools and gunite pools.
Some of the advantages of gunite pools are that they're constructed on the site. This allows the builder to fit into any area on your yard. They're highly customizable in size and shape and depth. In fact, shown here is a guitar-shaped pool and a dog bone-shaped pool. And they're extremely durable, built using a steel web and poured concrete.
To install a gunite pool, first the area is excavated. Then a steel web is inlaid, and then concrete is poured over the steel web and is shaped. For gunite pools, some of the pros are that they're highly customizable. If you can imagine it, it can be built with no limits. They're very durable, and they're versatile, a product that can be adapted to almost any backyard. Some of the cons are the much longer installation period of 3 to 6 months. They have a higher cost of ownership over the life of the pool, and there's higher maintenance work, including gunite cement replacement, tile work, and acid washing. Next, we'll talk about the fiberglass pools. Some of the advantages are they require low maintenance, they have a rapid install of about 3 to 6 weeks, and they have a low cost of ownership over the life of the pool. To install a fiberglass pool, first, the pool is made in a factory-controlled environment and is shipped to the location on a truck. The area is then excavated and leveled, and a crane is used to lift and install the pool. Some of the pros of a fiberglass pool is the smooth finish, as these pools have no liners. They come in many shapes and sizes, and things like bench seats and sun decks are available. They have a very quick install of about 3 to 6 weeks, and a low cost of ownership over the life of the pool. Some of the cons are that there are limited designs available. Most are non-diving pools, and they cannot be wider than 16 feet as they do need to be transported on the road. Hopefully this video was informative and helps you make a better choice on choosing between a fiberglass or a gunite pool. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you feel so inclined, please like, share, comment, find us on Facebook, and subscribe if you've not already. Or click the bell notification to receive our most updated content. This is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and thanks for watching.